Thank you, sir.
What is your roll number, please?
Sir, 309475.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Lauren Rautrai. I have completed my... Okay. So my name is Lauren Rautrai. I have completed my graduation in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Silicon Institute of Technology. Yes, sir. So I completed my graduation from Silicon Institute of Technology in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Then I got an opportunity to work as a senior systems engineer in Infosys for 2 years. Then I started my preparation for civil service exam, which is continued till now. So my areas of interest include, I like cooking of Odia cuisines, and robotics is my hobby. Also, I have some achievements in robotics, like I have won RoboCombat events in IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bhubaneswar, BITS Pilani Hyderabad, and many local institutes of Bhubaneswar.
So, kindly speak 5 important features of Bhubaneswar.
So Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. It is one of the first planned city of India, and Bhubaneswar became the second most livable city in the Tier 2 city of all over India. So Bhubaneswar is one of the top 5 smart city when the smart city mission was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India. Also, Bhubaneswar has many tourism potential. Like we have tourist places like Atri, Khandagiri and Udayagiri, Dholi Stupa, and Chilika Lake, etc. So Chilika Lake in the Khordha district.
Some name of Mukteshwar.
Yes, sir.
What is the Mukteshwar temple is famous?
So Mukteshwar temple is mainly famous for, actually it has no particular, it is not regarded as a particular god. So it is mostly decided as the both Shiva and Vishnu temple combinedly. And also,
apart from that, Mukteshwar temple has got some specific importance. Most of the tourists they visit
yes,
Bhubaneswar, they are taken to Mukteshwar temple.
Mukteshwar temple.
Why? What is the reason? You know or not?
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. That the ark which is at the time of entrance, that is one of the splendid
Architecture.
craftsmanship of Kalima style of architecture.
Architecture. Thank you,
What is
sir.
a cathedral city?
Sorry, sir.
What is a cathedral city?
So, sorry, I am not aware of it.
You are from Bhubaneswar or not?
Yes, sir.
Bhubaneswar is called a cathedral city of India. Cathedral city of India. What do you mean by that? You do not know.
No, sir.
Okay. Why is Bhubaneswar famous?
Sir, Bhubaneswar is
Tradition.
traditionally.
Because it is full of temples.
Yes, sir. It is the temple city
Isn't
of
it?
India.
The
Yes.
temple city of India.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Another thing you told that Mukteshwar temple is a combined lay of deities from Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva.
Shiva.
What about Lingaraj temple?
So Lingaraj temple also dedicated to both Shiva and Vishnu.
What is otherwise it is known?
Otherwise, it is known.
The Harihar temple.
Harihar.
Okay, sir.
Harihar Katra.
Hari means Vishnu.
Haran.
Hara means
Shiva.
you have a present personality, at large your prospects. That is my observation. You are also very polite and humble. That is another thing.
Thank you, sir.
You appear to be sober. Are you really sober?
No, he is
Yes.
because his facial expression is like that.
Do you agree with me that you are sober?
Yes, sir.
So will it help in discharge of duties of an administrator?
Yes, sir. It will help as an administrator.
But you have most of the time you have to be aggressive to get the results.
So when it is the situation needs to be aggressive, then I can act like somehow, but not always.
Is it necessary to be aggressive?
No, sir, not always necessary, but
Is it at all necessary to be aggressive?
no.
Why should
But,
not be? It is a natural way. You cannot be aggressive if you so like. If
Sir.
you are frontal like that, if your inner self is like that, then you will be aggressive. And it will, you will always aggressive. That is not the, you cannot be aggressive. But aggression, if is in a lot, automatically in every situation you will react and you will be aggressive.
yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
There is no question of artificiality. Artificiality cannot suppress your inner qualities. It will be always burst out.
Yes, sir.
Then you are employed or as senior systems engineer in Infosys, banking.
Yes, sir.
And then in Karnataka, both way you have written senior citizen engineer from 2016 to 2018.
Yes,
You are
sir.
still continuing there.
No, sir, I am not continuing.
Why not? Why you left the job?
So I want to dedicate my full-time preparation to civil service exam. That's why I have to left.
What was the salary you are getting there?
So it's annually more than 5 lakhs.
Annual more than 5 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
You did not like the job.
So I like the job, but this is my dream job. I want to, actually during my BTech career, I decided to prepare for civil service exam, but due to some financial constraint of my family, I have to join the Infosys in my college campus selection. Then I got some plan B option, like I have some experience of 2 years in Infosys, so that if some discrepancy happen in my preparation, so that I can again join the job as a plan B option. And also I got some financial security for the preparation. That's why I have to join the job and also left for my full
So
time.
you are going to join the job if selected for your financial security,
Yes, sir.
for yourself, not for any other factor,
Sir, for my family.
for your family.
Yes.
Then what about others? What about the employer who will employ you?
Sir, I did not get that.
You will not get it. You will say that I am going to, because to have my livelihood only. I am not, in exchange, I am not discharged my responsibility for the society, for the state.
Yes, sir. I
And that
will.
is your first.
No,
you don't say that you have to earn your livelihood or to maintain your family.
No. So this.
That will, it is automatic, but it should not be told. It will not add to your value or add to your point. Be careful. This will not be the answer. I will discharge my public service, my responsibility there. The goal of my life is to help the people. I am imbibed by my philanthropic spirit, philanthropic attitude. And I want to be an administrator, not for myself, but for the society.
Sir, actually, I told that answer for my Infosys job reason.
Huh?
For why I joined Infosys, that's why I told that one.
No, whatever you are joining service, you should always put emphasis that I am selfless. But the way you say it is for an earning and for your family, it will what will it speak? It will speak that
Priority travel or duty?
your priority is your self-service. Your self-service is not priority.
Yes.
Next issue.
It is your social obligation.
Yes, sir.
When you are born, you have born with a social responsibility because it is the society who is sustaining you. Not
Yes.
only your parents.
Yes.
You are getting free air, free life. That is the society, that is the state.
Yes, sir.
Your protection, you are having a sound sleep at night because you are protected. Others are there to protect you.
Yes, sir.
Somebody will not commit theft in your house. The police people are there. Your border is secure because the army
Armed force.
people there spending sleepless nights.
Yes, sir.
only for the country. You have a duty for them also. So self after others.
Yes, sir.
You are for others, then for yourself. God has created you with an noble purpose that I have sent you to there to do my job for others, and I am there to watch you,
Yes.
to take care of you. So dedicate yourself.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me 3 qualities which will bring you success in life? What are necessary for a human being to be successful in life?
So first of all, integrity,
Okay,
then honesty,
okay.
then a teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yes, sir.
Teamwork is, you have to have that team spirit. To
Yes.
work with others, proper coordination will be there. You will take them with you. You will have trust in them.
Yes,
You will build a confidence. And you will have a harmonious relationship with others. Not quarrel with others. Not domineer over others. Don't think that you are all knowing, others do not know anything. They are my subordinates. This feeling will be detrimental
yes,
to
sir.
public interest. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you say cooking for Odisha cuisines. What are the Odia cuisines that you are interested in?
Sir, dalma,
Hmm.
potal alu rasa,
Hmm.
then traditional Odia chicken curry, mutton curry, non-veg curries, etc. Right now I am exploring 2 others.
चिकन करी मटन करी कौन ओडिशा डिजाइन में कौन तो स्पेसिफिकेशन ना
सर जमती
सबआडे होची तो चिकन करी मटन करी
हाँ सर घरे
The
जम
Odisha food, can you highlight what are the favorite food items in Odisha?
सर डालमा,
Hmm.
देन मिठारे सर आसीबो रसावली
Rice तो हम लोग खाइबा राइस ना.
आज्ञा
हाँ.
सर
राइस विभिन्न प्रकार राइस ଅଛି.
हाँ सर राइस टाइप्स कहबी
हाँ.
सर तो अरुआ चावल उषुना चावल सेमती कहते ना स्वर्ण
राइस
चावल
କଥା ରାଇସ୍ ଉଷୁନା ଚାଉଳ ଅଛି. ଯୋଉ ଗାଜରଟା ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର ଯୋଉ ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ରାଇସ୍ ଖାଉଛେ, ବଟର୍ଡ ରାଇସ୍ ଖାଉଛେ,
ପଖାଳ
ପଖାଳ ଖାଉଛେ ଗୋଟେ,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଫୁଡ୍ ଆଇଟମ୍.
ହଁ ହଁ ହଁ
ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଖାଲି ତ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଯୋଉ ଖାଦ୍ୟରେ ଭେଜ୍ ଆଇଟମ୍ରେ ଯିବ କ'ଣ, ନନ୍ଭେଜ୍ରେ କ'ଣ ଯିବ, ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ୍ସ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ୍ ହେଉଛି ସେଥିରେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ we offer as food ଭୋଗ ପ୍ରସାଦ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
to the deities. What are these items?
सर पिठारे हमें दो
ଆମର ଛପନ ଭୋଗ
आज्ञा
କୁହାଯାଇଛି.
आज्ञा
Do you know what are the items?
सबू सर जानिनी
तथा 10 टका नुको
हाँ.
10टा
हां
सर काकरा पिठा मंडा पिठा रसगोल्ला
सदा से केवल गोटी दिन
ଏ ପିଠା ଯାଉଛି ପିଠା
ना ना माने मिठारे आउ सर मैं डालमा भी दिया जाए भोगरे लगे
हां
आउ बेसर आउ ଶାଗ ମୁଗ ଆଉ ସାର୍ ଦହି ପାଚେଡ଼ି ଆଉ ମିଠା ଡାଲି ଆଉ ସାର୍
खिचड़ी भी
ଖେଚେଡ଼ି ବି ହୁଏ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍
ପଲାଉ
ମିଠା ଖେଚେଡ଼ି ଗୋଟେ ହୁଏ ମାନେ ତା ନାଁ ମୁଁ ଠିକ୍ ସେ ମନେ
କାନିକା?
କାନିକା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଓକେ
तुम लिखुଛ ତ କୁକିଂ ରେ ତମର ଓଡ଼ିଶାନ ଡିଶେସ୍ লিখୁଛ ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେଟା ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର
Robo Fest winner in IIT or
Sir, IIT.
IIT KGP. Beats
बीट्स पिलानी हैदराबाद
Beats plant Hyderabad. What is that?
Sir.
Please explain.
Sir, that is which is basically a robo combat event. We have to make a robot according to the specification given by the college. So all the teams all over the India coming with that specification, so that they will fight each other as a war. We have to immobilize the opponent robot. who will successfully mobilizing all the robots, then that team will be decided as the winner. And also we are also engaged in performing different tasks. So that different tasks like we have to work, the robot have to work on the fire or have to work on the water, different kinds of tasks
Some
also.
subjects are geography and political science.
Yes, sir.
What is geography? What do we define geography and how it is helpful for the society? What is impact on the society?
So geography is the combination, or geography of its area is a combination of all the factors like culture, population, its morphology, its climatology, or its water scenario, etc. So when also like forest situation, tree cover, forest cover, and the political scenario, that is also comes as a geography. So when we learn,
And then geopolitics.
yes, sir, geography is the combination of all the subjects.
Then you tell me, if geography is all these things, you are talking of this climate, then what is the meteorology department? How it is different from meteorology? Geography, how it is different from politics? Or what are the, comparatively, what are the points that is common between geography and politics?
Same thing. Okay, sir.
Geography and politics, political science,
Yes, sir.
how they are different, and what are the common features found in both these subjects.
So basically, there are some aspects, whether it is geographical aspect that are used in political science or political aspects that are used in geography. So both are combined for a area. So for example, suppose if we take Odisha as an example, Odisha has a geography of coastal plains or northern lands or central plateau or western hills, etc. So when we know about the particular geography of that area, what is the forest cover, what rivers are flowing, what is the demography of that area, what is the literacy rate, etc., we can combine it with the local politics, also the state politics. What government, what is the need of the people, so that they can vote the particular government that will fulfill the people's wish or also people's desire.
What are the geographical consideration in a political atmosphere? In political science, why you will take a geographical consideration into account?
So to know the particular demography of that area. Yes.
Then what is present political situation in Odisha?
So presently the Biju Janata Dal is the ruling party and the BJP government is the single largest opponent party in Odisha. Yes.
How it is functioning now? Is there any political uncertainty or political disturbance?
So currently it is going smooth now, no major political disturbance, but some geographical disturbance like border disputes or river disputes are going on. But otherwise political situation is smooth now in Odisha.
Is there good governance in Odisha in the present context?
Yes, sir. The recent initiatives like 5T, Mo Sarkar, and other yojanas like Kalia Yojana, Pitha scheme, these are all good schemes and also performing very well.
What about this situation regarding these loot, murder and accidents? These things are happening every day.
Yes, sir. These things are happening every day. We are also evidenced with the recent NCRB report that Odisha is getting the highest number of women's assault cases in Odisha.
Yes.
So these things are needs to be taken.
Now,
Sorry,
or
sir.
needs improvement.
Needs improvement. Sir.
Needs improvement. What about the international situation?
So So, there is a common turmoil in the international situation. It is we are going through the multipolar world order. So there is a very bad situation in Afghanistan and Syria, Iraq, Lebanon, and also in Libya. So these are the mostly getting the turmoil situation due to the foreign countries' intervention. So we have to take a lesson
Army deployed in Afghanistan by US has been withdrawn. How do you appreciate this thing, the withdrawal of army from Afghanistan, which is responsible for this current situation, volatile situation? Then,
so this is a
what is
very,
your opinion?
so my opinion is we cannot conquer any foreign country with a successful motto that has been proved since last more than 2 centuries. For example, first of all, UK tried to invade Afghanistan, then Germany tried, then Russia tried, then finally USA tried to change the regime. But all governments have failed. So this,
Why? Why they failed?
so because the motto they are started with to conquer the city or to maintain the democracy by removing the monarchy, that is not getting successful. That the reason for the unsuccessful attempt is there is
That
lots.
is somehow undemocratic. The steps taken by these countries to conquer Afghanistan was undemocratic or democratic.
So the steps taken by Afghanistan.
Other countries
Yes, that.
to have a sway over Afghanistan.
So that can be said as an undemocratic attempt.
What are the present relationship between China and India?
So the present relationship is mostly about the border disputes, because after the good Mamallapuram summit, what we expect to be a good cordial relation for future, but there is a.
How it will be established, cordial relationship will be established?
So we thought to maintain a good relation, but that is not possible.
Thinking is not sufficient. If you think something that will not be come into translated into reality. But what steps you will take to make the situation normal and restore friendship?
So we can discuss as a bilateral talk with China regarding the political boundary disputes, because China is not taking it seriously for the bilateral discussion regarding the border disputes, and also we have a policy to settle the boundary disputes bilaterally, not taking UN as a forum. So China is not ready to discuss on the boundary dispute. China is agreeing on the rest to discuss rest other disputes, but China is not agreeing on the border disputes.
Then how it will be solved? Probably border dispute will be solved.
So we have to create a back channel diplomacy with a strong motive.
What
So
will be that strong motive?
means to solve the situation as soon as possible. Like we India and China.
Take the help of other powers.
So actually, taking help of other powers can act as a boomerang for our superpower status. So this is our internal issue, our personal issue. So our sovereign issue. So we cannot take. Means it's not good to take the foreign powers help.
Then tell me our relationship with Pakistan.
So with Pakistan we have a historical issue since the independence that is going on, but currently we have stopped the trade relation officially and also all kinds of diplomatic relations also.
So it is all right. Then I will tell you something about Odisha. Name some major hot springs of Odisha. Hot springs of Odisha.
So Otri is the one of the.
Actually,
So I am not aware of other ones. Not aware of the other ones.
इनको कौन ओडिया रे कौन देशे
Ushna Prasravana.
Usna Prasavan.
Again.
Have you ever visited any of the hot springs?
Yes, sir. Otri I have visited.
Then Usna Prasavan, how do you feel? How do Usna Prasavan named Usna Prasavan, and what for it is named as such?
So actually the water that comes from the ground, that is more than the normal temperature, that is mostly 40-50 degrees centigrade, and it is mostly due to the underground lava or something, some convectional current that flowing on the upper mantle, that is mostly caused as though. That's why that
How
is.
many revenue divisions are there in Odisha?
Sorry, sir. How many?
How many revenue divisions are there in Odisha?
Sorry, sir. I am not aware of it.
How many RDCs are there in Odisha? RDC revenue divisional commissioners.
No, sir. I don't.
What is the role of governor in a state?
Sir, governor is the first person of a state. It is by conventionally, mostly from the outside, one of the outsider person of a state. The necessity to be a governor or the criteria for becoming a governor is 35 years old and he must be a citizen of India. And his different roles include legislative role and executive role, also judicial roles include. Executive role includes his he is the he is the pattern of chief of the state.
Chief executive.
Yes, sir.
Chief executive head.
Head.
And what is the decadal population growth in Odisha?
It's factually I'm not aware of
You
it.
don't do not. Highest population, city of, district of highest population.
Sir, I'm not aware of it.
District with the smallest population. Lowest.
Sir, can I guess that one?
You can guess.
Kandhamal district, sir.
Convert. Whatever they were.
Sir, I'm not aware.
Then how many tahsils are there in Odisha?
So 317.
Okay, you are correct. How many blocks are there?
So 314.
How many municipal corporations are there in Odisha?
So 5.
Five. Name them.
Sir, Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation, Rourkela Municipal Corporation, then Barampur, Sambalpur and Cuttack.
Barampur, Sambur.
And Cuttack.
How many seats are there for Lok Sabha seats are there?
Sir,
Constituencies.
21 constituencies.
How many assembly constituencies are there in Odisha?
147.
Okay.
Can you define the patience? What is patience?
So patience is something that we have to continuously putting our effort even after failure, waiting for the correct time for the result and waiting for the perfect result that we are desire for.
Okay. What is false anger?
False anger. Sorry, sir, I cannot define.
ठीक है सर.
Okay, thank you. All the best. Keep up and you prepare, make some more preparation so that factually it will be struck up.
केबे अच्छे तुम्हारे इंटरव्यू?
It's 27 में.
27 में.
Okay.
कौन पता समय अच्छे उड़ा छुट्टी देखा.
Is there any tips you want?
Sir, से एमती क्वेश्चन पचारि पारंती माने जेमती
All your questions, they will show that.
ବଡ଼ ଏସବୁ ତାର କଣ ଦରକାର ଠିକଣା ଅଛି କିଛି ନାହିଁ. କିନ୍ତୁ ତମେ ଘଟଣା ହଉଛି ଯେ ସାର ବେଟର କହିବ ଗୋଟେ. ଏଟା ସେମାନେ ତମ ପର୍ସନାଲିଟିକୁ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି. ତମେ ତ
Your knowledge has been tested.
ତମେ ତ
In a
ରିଟିନରେ କରିଛ ବୋଲି ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛ ନା ତମ ନଲେଜ ଅଛି.
Your personal judgment,
The
your
personality.
posture, your communicative skill, your eye contact, your sober expression, then what is the position you have taken, your physical body language that they will see, and most important is that how you are answering to their questions and how you are impressing them by your smart but sober, polite,
Okay.
and factually correct answer.
जोटा नोट थियो ट्रेड बना जम्मा फॉल्स
Those were pretenses.
सीधा नेगेटिव इंपैक्ट बोलता है
Okay.
तो समर्थ को सब जानते हैं संभव
So, world is just like ocean of knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Life, human life is very short. In the one generation, one life, one cannot acquire all knowledge that is there in the
बेसिक फैक्ट
world. And if you are not able to know, then how will you succeed? If you say that I will acquire every knowledge, it is simply impossible. So you have to be selective, wisely and intelligently. You
Yes.
make proper selection. Then there is every chance of success. And whatever you select, go deep into the matter. Master over the information, keep every information ready in memory so that you can express it effectively in a better manner to the to make the members convinced. If they are convinced, they are pleased with your personality, then you are selected. And what do, by the way, what do you mean by your personality? What is personality?
So it is the combination of gesture, posture, and the behavior, the way of delivering the answers, etc.
Impeccable virtues that is inherent in human being. Embraces
words that is important. You are now you are illustrating, you are explaining what is personality, but the real meaning of the personality is what are abstract.
Yes.
And virtues. How do you define virtue? What do you mean by virtue?
So virtue is a characteristic.
Characteristic. What is that characteristic? Which make which your virtue is responsible for your better magnetic personality and an immaculate character.
So,
Which are responsible? You should be very clear, very pure in your heart.
yes.
You should be honest, courageous, confident, and compassionate, tolerant, non-reactive, polite, humble. Then these things make your character
Yes.
attractive. Okay.
Thank you very much.
All the
Welcome,
best.
sir. Thank you, sir.
You will do well.
That's what you have to take. You general knowledge part that you take, but you
And be selective. जोड़ा भल लगुच तार पढ़ ଆଉ ଯୋଉଠି ଏରିଆ ୱିକନେସ୍ ଟିକେ ଦେଖୁଛ ସେଇଟା କରନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟିଭ ଅଛ ନା କୋଉ ର୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଇବ ସେଇଟା ବଡ଼ କଥା ତେଣୁ ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ର୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର
ଭଲ ପାଇଲେ ଭଲ ନମ୍ବର ପାଇଲେ
ହଉ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ